Hi, my name is Benjamin Dean and I'm the author of This Story Is a Lie. Now, I've been an author for about 5 years and I write happy, adventurous books for children that celebrate diversity and the LGBTQ community, as well as twisty thrillers for slightly older YA readers. My first YA book was called The King is Dead, and it was set in Buckingham Palace. It follows the story of James, the first black heir to sit on the throne, as he tries to figure out who in his inner circle is leaking his secrets to the press. And my second YA book, for slightly older readers again, is How to Die Famous. I think you can probably sense a theme with these titles. This story is inspired by my previous job as a celebrity interviewer, where I'd get to see exactly what celebrities are like when the cameras are off. It's set behind the scenes of a cursed TV show in Hollywood with a bad reputation, and follows main character Abel, who is working undercover to expose the truth about the show's dark past, while his 3 co-stars hide secrets of their own. These books are perfect for older YA readers looking for something a little dark and thrilling, and readers who love a bunch of plot twists. And you'll find plenty of those plot twists in my World Book Day book, This Story Is a Lie, so keep an eye out for it.